Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to request a refund on Upwork. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you received work from a freelancer, but you're not necessarily pleased with it. How do you actually go ahead and request a refund? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is click on messages. And then from this page here, you want to find the chat window that you're working with your freelancer in. So here we're just going to use a mom's chat window, for example. Now, under a mom's profile image, you want to click on this button that says View Contract. So View Contract, this is a green button here on the right hand side. So from here, you could actually go ahead and click on these three dots and then click on Request a Refund. So once you click on Request a Refund, you can either request the total invoice amount or you can request another amount. But keep in mind, if your funds are currently in escrow, make sure you have to follow the escrow refund process to request a refund. If your funds have been released from escrow, use this form to request a refund from your freelancer. So even if your funds are released, you can still request a refund from your freelancer. But more than often, like if you've already released the escrow payment, it means like the work has been done, like the work was satisfactory. But make sure that you're just sure that you want to release the escrow funds before you actually release them so that you don't have to request a refund afterwards. But for this example, you can see that I can request the total invoice amount, another amount. I can also explain the reason why I'm requesting a refund. In my experience of 3 years of using Upwork, or 4 years, I've only requested refunds like once if the work was like completely unusable. But for example, if you're hiring a video editor and they send you a video edit and it's edited, but maybe it's not to your liking, usually I would just do another amount and then request like 50% of what I'm paying them. So it's kind of fair on both parts. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way to actually go ahead and request a refund on Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.